Hi, my name is Olivia, and I'm going to show you my dog answering my questions by nodding his head up and down or side to side. Okay. And his name is Louie, by the way. Okay. Louie. Okay. Is your name Louie? Do you love your whole family? Thank you. I love you too. Do you know that you're on YouTube right now? Louie, sit down. Do you like YouTube? Maybe? Yeah, maybe. Well, Louie, stop. Is your favorite color green? Louie, is it? Is your favorite color blue? Do you like to chase Sissy around the house? You do, don't you? Okay. Do you want to chase me right now? Okay. Yeah, I'm doing an interview anyway, right? Yeah. Okay. Do you think Sissy's beautiful? Like an artist, the best person in the whole wide world? Awesome titty. Louie! Do you love mommy? Do you love mommy? Louie, what's wrong? Okay. Do you love Noah? Do you love Carrie? Do you love Sophie? Yes, you do. Whoa. Is Noah your best friend? Is Carrie your best friend? Good. You're awesome. Do you think you're awesome? Totally? Totally awesome? Of course you do. Okay. Love you. Want a treat for doing all that good work? You do? Really? Really? Louie, you can have a treat. I'm just kidding around with you. Thanks for watching my dog. I appreciate it. Bye.
I got